Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer your number to Nextiva. This is a great option if you're looking for a new phone service provider or if you're just not happy with your current one. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about why you might want to transfer your number to Nextiva. Nextiva is a great phone service provider with a lot to offer, including unlimited calling and texting. This means you can talk and text as much as you want without worrying about overage charges. Low rates. Nextiva offers some of the lowest rates for phone service. Great customer service. Nextiva has a team of friendly and knowledgeable customer service representatives who are always ready to help. A wide range of features. Nextiva offers a variety of features, such as voicemail, call forwarding, and caller ID. Now that you know a little bit about Nextiva, let's get started with the process of transferring your number. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you can transfer your number to Nextiva, you will need to gather some information about your current phone service provider. This includes your account number, your phone number, your PIN code. Once you have this information, you can proceed to the next step. Step 2. Order your Nextiva service. Once you have ordered your Nextiva service, you will receive a confirmation email from Nextiva. This email will include your new account number and PIN code. Step 3. Contact your current phone service provider. Once you have your new Nextiva account number and PIN code, you can contact your current phone service provider and let them know that you are transferring your number to Nextiva. Step 4. Wait for your number to transfer. Once you have contacted your current phone service provider, it will take some time for your number to transfer to Nextiva. This process can take up to 48 hours. Step 5. Activate your Nextiva service. Once your number has transferred to Nextiva, you can activate your Nextiva service. This can be done by logging into your Nextiva account online or by calling Nextiva customer service. That's all there is to it. Once you have completed these steps, you will be able to use your old phone number with your new Nextiva service. If you have any questions about the process of transferring your number to Nextiva, you can contact Nextiva customer service. If you are transferring your number from a landline phone, you will need to contact your local phone company to request a porting authorization code. If you are transferring your number from a prepaid phone service provider, you may not be able to transfer your number to Nextiva. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tricks. If you're looking for a new phone service provider, I highly recommend Nextiva. You can sign up for service today at website URL. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.